Right. So as we've come to end of day 2, so just wanted to add one more thing as well. So as we go along these Python tutorials, so I just wanted to tell you that we will be using AI and how to actually code along with AI as well. For example, if you look at this collab notebook itself, you can see there is start coding or generate with AI. Every time I'm trying to add some code cell, it is giving the same prompt, right? So it wants me to use this AI, right? So we will discover this. Then you can also see Gemini towards this top right corner as well. So we will explore this as well, right? So how do we use Gemini feature inside Collab itself, right? And we will also be using external tools like a ChatGPT or Claude AI or Perplexity or more such tools, how we can code along with these tools as well, so that our work becomes more efficient, and also we can do it faster as well, right? So see you in the next module.